Starting exercise 1.2, more one negative numbers, which is from Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. So exercise 1.2, question 1, look at the number line. Here is a number line. In middle, this one is a 0. Right side it's denoted plus option, and left it's denoted minus. Our question, look at the number line and then write where you would land on the number line after these moves. Number A, start from -5. So here is a -5. Count on. Count on means it's a forward. It's a forward. It means moving right. And if mentioned back, it's a backward, right? It's a backward. It means moving left. So start from -5 and count on, it means it will be next line here. So it's a -4. Number B, start from -2. Here is a -2 and count back 4. So count back 4 means what? 1, 2, 3, and here is a 4. So here will be -6. Start -3. So here is a -3 and count 1, 3. It means 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0. And next, start 6. Here is a 6. Count back 9. 9 means what? It's a backward. 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means here is a -3. I hope you clear this one. Right? Next. Here is a number line. Here in middle it's a 0. In back it's a -1, -2, -3, -4, and here is a -5. And in right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Question A of 2. Which numbers do the arrow A, B, C, D point to? A means A equals to -5. B equals to -2. C equals to C. C equals to 3. And finally, D denoted 5. Right? Very simple. C is a 3 and D is 5. A -5, B -2, C 3, and D 5. Which letter shows the position of a number greater than -4 and less than 0? Greater than -4, it's a once a right side, it will be greater side. Okay, it will be a greater side, and one back or left side, it will be less. So here we have to think carefully. Which letter shows the position of a number greater than -4? Greater than -4, it should be here number B, which is less than 0. It means which letter? That means B, and it's equals to -2. -2 is greater than -4 but less than 0. Okay, so very simple. Question 3. Look at this thermometer. What numbers are the arrows pointing to at A, B, C? So this one is a 0, and here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is a -8. This one is a -2. It's a 10, and next one is a 11. It's a 11. Okay, so we can say A means 8, -8, B means -2, and C means 11. It should be plus, right? Now, which temperature is the coldest? Which one? So coldest means it's the top left type. So it's the most lowest number is a -6. It's a coldest, right? This is a coldest. And next coldest is -2, and then 0, and then 1. So -6 less than -2 less than 0 and 1. Okay, very simple. So number 4 done. Number 5. Question 5, it's an interesting question, and you have to carefully think this one. The temperature in a town one day was 5 degrees centigrade or Celsius. The temperature dropped by 9 degrees Celsius overnight. What was the lowest nighttime temperature? So first we can make a straight line like this. Here is a 0 degree, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's say this is a 6, so this is a 5 degrees Celsius. It's a daytime. And left side we can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and suppose up to -6. It's a -6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the daytime the temperature was 5 degrees Celsius in here, and the temperature dropped it by 9 degrees Celsius overnight. Dropped it means it will be a backward temperature. It's in a straight line, it should be back. It means 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that time the temperature will be -4 degrees Celsius. Why? Because 5 minus 9 equals to -4. It means negative number. Negative, it means here is a very cold. So it's a -4 degrees Celsius. Here is a 0 degrees Celsius. And here in the daytime, it's a 5 degrees Celsius. Number 6. The letters on the number line are in the place of numbers. Suppose 0, it means K, and L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, it's a right side, and in the left side here will be A, B, C, D, like up to Z. So K in the middle position, and the mark is a 0. Copy and the complete the table to solve the puzzle and find out where emperor penguins live. It's a very fantastic question. -10, it means it's a. 3, where is 3? It's a positive 3. It means if this one is a 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is a 10. So 3 means what? It's a N. 9, it's a T. -10, again A. 7, it's a R. Minus 8, which one is a minus 8? If it's a 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and this one is a minus 9, and A is a minus 10. So minus 8 is a C. 9 means it's a positive 9, it means this one is a T. Minus 2, which is I. Minus 8, it's a C. Minus 10, it's a A. Now it's a very interesting matter. Copy and complete the table to solve the puzzle. I already finished this one. Find out where emperor penguins live. It's a Antarctica. Here is a mentioning enter, enter, enter. Here is enter, then T-I-C-A, Antarctica. Very interesting question. So I hope you cleared this one. Number 6 has done. Now number 7. Question 7. Here is mentioned, what mistake has Marquis made? How can you help him correct this mistake? So what was telling Marquis? Marquis telling negative 5 degrees Celsius, it means minus 5 degrees Celsius is warmer than negative minus 4 degrees Celsius. It means negative 4 degrees Celsius, because 5 is bigger than 4. But here is a mistake. 5 and 4, if you compare as a digit, that case 5 is really greater than 4. But if we compare it like a value, like it's a number line, suppose here is a 0, so first minus 4 will come and then minus 5. So it means minus 4 is a greater than minus 5. So this one we can say like this way, minus 5 degrees Celsius is a warmer than minus 4 degrees Celsius, because 5 is a bigger than 4. It's a mistake. Why? He compared the digit, not the values. Correction will be, on a thermometer, minus 4 degrees Celsius is warmer than minus 5 degrees Celsius, because minus 4 is closest to 0, closer to 0. Like this is a thermometer, here is a 0. First it's a minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4, and here is a minus 5. So naturally minus 4 is a less than, minus 4 is a greater than minus 5. Okay, so it's not compared by digit, it should be compared by values. So number 7 done. Number 8. What temperature is 6 degrees warmer than minus 4? It's a warmer, so first we make a straight line. Here is a 0 degree, and then here is a minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. We can make more like minus 5, minus 6, and here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's say it's a 6. So what temperature is 6 degrees warmer? It means it's a good temperature, and it's a right on, move 1 from minus 4. So minus 4 in here, suppose this is a minus 4 plus 6 degree, it means 6 degree warmer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means it's a 2 degree Celsius. Okay, what temperature is a 5 degree less than 1? Look, this is 1 and 5 degree less, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means here is a minus 4 degree Celsius. 3 degree warmer than minus 2. So this one is a minus 2 and 3. It's a 1, 2, 3. it means here is a 1 degree Celsius. So it should be good thing if you can use or if you know about the straight line. Okay, what temperature is a 3 degree cooler than 0? Cooler means the coldest, it's the colder part. So it means here is a 0 and it will be negative side. What 3 degree? 1 2 3, it means here should be minus 3 degree Celsius, right? And finally, what temperature is 5 degree higher than minus 1? Higher means it will be add, it's a right side, so minus 1, so we will add 5. 1 2 3 4 5, so here is a 4 degree Celsius. So number 8 done. Very simple thing. So finally our exercise 1.2 done. Next video will come very soon, and then we will start exercise 1.3. Till then, take care, keep practice, and my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.